It is Memecoin season because it's blazing again. The flame of Memecoin is back, and I've noticed that some coins are doing 300%, 500% within a short period of hours and days. I am making this video because I know that 90% of people trading Memecoin usually lose to the 10% in the community. So if you're ready, let's talk and learn. This video is for you if you don't want to lose money again. Trading Memecoins is not just about chasing trends. It is a calculated game of strategy. Today, I will share the strategy that helped me grow my portfolio from this and then to this. Buckle up, come closer. This journey began with a dash of frustration. You see, during the last bull run, someone transformed a humble $200 into a whopping $200,000 by trading Memecoins. In fact, I actually posted it on my Facebook wall. Meanwhile, I was busy fingering charts, aiming for modest 20% to 50% gain. Little did I know that Memecoins held the key exponential growth. Then came SHIB. Shiba Inu is another phenomenon that defied logic. People made over 1,000x, turning small investments into life-changing fortunes. I am still chasing my use case projects, utility project, and tokens to buy. But then it was a wake-up call. Memecoins were more than just internet jokes like we perceived earlier. They were a financial revolution I never saw. Right now, my eyes are open. It's open, but then I still missed one last opportunity. I saw Pepe around $100,000 market cap, but I hesitated to buy again, perhaps blinded by skepticism. Though I later bought at 600k market cap and I'm holding till now, and I'm targeting to sell at 10 billion market cap. But that is a story for another day. Do you know that before then I saw Pepe to 2 million market cap? That is like 20x increase. Only at that area, at that 100k market cap with $1,000 investment, I would have worth $20,000, right? When I saw Bonk at 600k market cap, I jumped in immediately without hesitation. And the good thing here is that Bonk became my inspiration, leading me to deeper into the world of Solana Memecoins. So around September, my DJing journey began. Then by November, I crafted a strategy that changed the look of my portfolio for good. And I created a community of people who are ready to join me, and we started trading. We bought Myro at 22 million market cap, and Myro got to over 300 million market cap. We bought Chunky very early. We bought Anita Maswell at 600k market cap, and we sold around 40 million market cap, and so many of those coins. Today, I will share you with some strategies and tools that I am sure will help you in your Memecoin journey as we are starting again. Number one is Screener. You see that application? It is a powerful tool that allows me to track real-time data from DEX to token to blockchains. It's like having a radar for crypto gems. But beware, learn how to use it properly to avoid ruffles. And then talking about ruffles, I've made a video previously explaining how to identify ruffle projects. So do well to watch it. Then number two is liquidity and token allocations. I pay attention here because liquidity is the lifeblood of every business. Altcoins, Memecoins. So I scrutinize liquidity pools and token distributions is very important. If too much supply rests in the few wallets of that particular project, it is a red flag. So I trade with caution or I leave it. And then number three is team insight, management, marketing. Beyond technicals, I watch team closely, the way they market, the way they push, and know when they are exhausted. And above all, I study their dumping strategies. These guys have a certain market cap and amount they are going to sell. Once I notice that is money leaving those allocated wallets, I will tell my team immediately to start selling at least 50 to 100% of what they are holding. This singular strategy helped me and cured the greed that would have ended my portfolio, and that is what kept us on track and helped us to grow our portfolio. Anita Maswell and Pepe also gave a student in my academy over $20,000. So moving on to number four, revoke XRP token authorities. On Solana, tokens have three authorities. One is freeze authority. If a creator of a token can freeze token, then it's risky. It means it can decide when I buy and sell. I can decide to freeze investors without selling, and that is on a pot. Make sure sure it is revoked before you buy. Number 2, mint authority. Mint is a situation where the creator of a token can mint more and pump into the liquidity pool. When you go to liquidity pool, you will see $500,000 liquidity. What that means is that 50% is Solana and 50% is the token itself. Now, if they have the ability to mint more, it means that they can pump more into the pool and remove the Solana, and it will be left with chaff to trade. That is why it's too risky, and you must be very cautious of this. And the 3 is update authority. Changes to token metadata is a problem. So when a token creator can make changes along the line, it means it's no longer decentralized, because the moment a token is deployed, nobody is supposed to be in charge at that moment. It's supposed to be decentralized. Supply and demand relies on the people that are trading. The moment they have any authority, it is a red flag. Number 5 is Bonkbot. Bonkbot is a lifesaver. It helps speed up trading execution on Solana DEXs. You see, when we started, we had issue with Solana DEX like radio. You will try to buy a coin and it's going to take minutes, hours before execution. Say you want to buy a coin at 100k market cap and this coin got to 500k market cap. That is when Radium executed their trade. People that bought at 100k are already planning on selling. Come on, this was a problem. But Bonkbot came to speed up everything. It was fast and safe. So I recommend you use Bonkbot in this journey. Remember, Memecoin trading isn't about greed. It's about strategy. Burnt fingers come from impulsive moves. Don't be greedy. Make sure you do your due diligence before buying. And you know what? You might turn frustration into fortune. Hey, if you want me to make a Bonkbot tutorial video, give me a follow right now, share this video and drop in the comment section Bonkbot. I'll be glad to make this video for you. My name is Gibeni and I want to see you at the top.